Welcome to today's market report.
Upbeat economic data in Germany and gains in US mega-cap growth stocks helped lift an index of global stock markets on Thursday, while US Treasury yields slipped as investors waited for the Federal Reserve's Jackson Hole meeting for insights into the central bank's plans to combat inflation. The Federal Reserve's annual monetary policy conference begins on Friday in Wyoming, with the focus on what Fed Chair Jerome Powell might say when he speaks at the conference on Friday. Investors will be looking for clues on how much higher US interest rates might need to go and for how long if inflation does not significantly fall from its current 40-year highs. We're in a period of time between the end of the second quarter earnings season and meaningful additional data from the Federal Reserve. Markets are churning in a bit with a reasonably low level of volatility. GDP data from Germany, Europe's largest economy, showed the country narrowly avoided a contraction in the second quarter, and better than feared confidence data helped keep investors' appetite firm, briefly lifting the battered euro back above dollar parity. The euro fell back under $1 by the time details from last month's European Central Bank meeting, when the bank hiked rates by 50 basis points, showed concerns among policymakers that inflation is becoming entrenched. MSCI's gauge of stocks across the globe rose 1.26%, helped by gains on Wall Street. The Dow Jones rose 0.98%, the S&P gained 1.41%, and the Nasdaq ended the session with 1.67% up. The Pan-European Stock 600 index closed up 0.3%. US Treasury yields slid on Thursday after hitting multi-week highs the previous session, as investors balanced positions amid uncertainty ahead of Powell's speech. Oil prices fell on Thursday in volatile trade as investors braced for the possible return to global markets of sanctioned Iranian oil exports. GBP USD is at 118.
This is today's market news. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.